This is Neil Pedrosa live at the deck. First time, first love, what a feeling is this? Electricity flows with the very first kiss. Like a breaking clouds in the first ray of sun, I can feel it inside. Something new has begun. It's taking control of my body and mind. It begins when I heard I love you for the very first time. For the very first time. This love, what a sweetness I feel. So mysterious, so incredibly real. It's an uncharted sea, it's an unopened door. But you gotta reach out, and you gotta explore. Even though you're not sure, till the moment arrives and it is. And you know it's in love for the very first time. For the very first time. And baby, when I met you, every feeling I had was true. I don't think there were words to explain the sensation. It's an uncharted sea, it's an unopened door. But you gotta reach out, and you gotta explore. And when something happens that words can define, only then you will know you're in love for the very first time. For the very first time. For the very first time. Thank you. Right from the start, you were a thief, you stole my heart, and I, your willing victim. I let you see the parts of me that weren't all that pretty. With every touch, you fixed it. Now you've been talking in your sleep. Oh, oh, things you never said to me. Oh, oh, tell me that you have enough of our love, of love. Just give me a reason, just a little, just a second, yeah, I'm despair, and we can go to the end. It's in the stars, it's written in the skies of our hearts. We're going to despair, and we can go to the end. I'm sorry, I don't understand where all of this is coming from. I thought that we were fine. Your head is running wild again. Why do we still have everything? And it's all in your mind. Yeah, but this is happening. You've been having real bad dreams. Oh, you used to lie so close to me. Oh, there's nothing more than grateful, but we know that if we are to stay alive, see the peace in every eye. every day. I can really lose when we need it. Day after day, I must face a world of strangers where I don't belong. I'm not that strong. It's nice to know that there's someone I can turn to who will always care. You're always there when there's no getting over that rainbow. For when I fall and some dreams won't come true, I can take all the madness the world has to give, but I will always stay without you. The Sons of the Carpenters. You are the one who makes me happy when everything turns to gray. Yours is the voice that wakes me morning and sends me out into the day. You are the ground that sets fire, listening to me and all the nonsense that I made. You are one of the few things worth remembering. And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to me than you? Talking to myself and feeling old. Sometimes I'd like to quit, but it never seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing is really wrong, feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. Funny, but it seems I always wind up here with you. Nice to know somebody loves me. Funny, but it seems that it's the only thing to do. Run and find the one who loves me. When I was young, I'd listen to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When they played, I'd sing along. It made me smile. Those were such happy times and not so long ago. How I wonder where they're gone. But they're back. I must be free.
Maraming salamat po. Beautiful melodies, right, from the Carpenters.
Love comes, love goes, but a certain feeling never lets me be. Somehow I know that a part of me hasn't changed since you've been gone. Like a sturdy tree that's seen 1,000 seasons, I'd see shed my leaves in winter to grow back in spring, to welcome life again, to welcome you. So goes my life. seem so close to you, pretending not to know. How could you memorize my name and forget who I am? How could you think you're still the same? Believe it, I can. It's too late to stop pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sun set, Alam ko, hindi mo makita. Narito lang ako. Hinihintay lagi kita. Umasa kahit umalo. Hahanapin mo rin. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw at ako, baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana ay mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Alam ko, hindi mo alam. Narito lang ako. Maghihintay kahit kailan. Mangarap kahit kailan kayo. Mamahalin mo rin, mamahalin. Ng puso mo, sana ay mangyari yun, kahit di ko lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Di ba siguro bukas, di palit ngayon. Malay mo, balang araw, dumating din yun. Pagdating ng panahon, baka ikaw rin at ako, baka tibok ng puso ko'y maging tibok ng puso mo. Sana na'y mangyari yun, kahit di pa lang ngayon. Sana ay mahalin mo rin pagdating ng panahon. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Hindi ko alam kung napindot ba yun?
Napindot? Ah, okay.
Akala ko hindi. Back to ulitin natin kung hindi napindot yung camera. Napindot ba? Ah, thank you. Akala ko hindi. Thank you, thank you. Ano yung hawak mo ba? Oh, beer ni Chloe. Basta si Chloe. Oh, kinuha na lang. Dumaan talaga eh. Sinabi niya sa dadaan na, dumaan na talaga. Anyway.
Sa mga bagong dating, again, my name is Neil Bedrosa and welcome to the deck. How are you guys? We're halfway. Medyo. Now, syempre sa, ano ba to, love cycle, di ba? Naging heartbroken ka, naging hopeful ka, nakilala mo na yung the one. Now, this is the song that would represent that feeling. And this song needs no introduction. I'm talking about this big hit. May gagawin kayo dito, ha?
So there's an easy change. Fresh as the morning air. One love that is shared are true. I have found with you. Like a rose under the acres go. I was always certain love would grow. Love, each lost and different. Sometimes by two. You and I will make each night the first. Every day a beginning. Spirits rise and the dancing sun reverse. They warm and excite us, 'cause we have the brightest two lights that shine as one. Morning glory in midnight sun. Time will learn to sail apart. Time will change the meaning unto love. One life, ageless together.
That was the version of Luther Vandross from a great ballad from the USA. Please allow me to pay tribute to a local ballad here in the Philippines. Sobrang dami niya palang pinasikat na kanta. And I'm talking about Mr. Ariel Rivera.
Ang tamis na iyong iniwan. that is very clear, 'cause we both lie here. There's so many things I wanna say. I will always love you. I will never leave you alone. Sometimes I just forget, say things I might regret. It breaks my heart to see you cry. I don't wanna lose you. I can never make it alone. Everybody now. I am the man who will fight for your honor. I'll be the hero you've been dreaming of. We'll live forever, knowing together that we did it all for the glory of love. You know what love was meant to be. The kind of love to last forever. And I want to feel from tonight until the end of time. You should know, everywhere I go, always on my mind, in my heart, in my soul. Baby, you're the leading in my life. You're the inspiration. You bring meaning to my life. You're the inspiration. Wanna have you near me. I wanna have you hear me say it. No one needs you more than I need. Oh, wanna have you near me. I wanna have you hear me say it. No one needs you more than I need. Everybody needs a little time away. I heard it say from each other. Little lovers need a holiday. Far away from each other. Hold me now. It's hard for me to say I'm sorry. I just want you to stay. And after all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. And after all that's been said and done, you're just a part of me I can't let go. And after all that we've been through, I will make it up to you. I promise to. You're gonna be the lucky one. The music of Chicago.
last week sa Hong Kong when there's peace.
Silence takes over. Say all we need to say. There's endless possibilities in the moves we could make. Your kiss is giving every indication. In this heart of mine is right by the time this night is over. The stars are gonna shine up to lovers in love. And when the morning comes, it's gonna find us together in a love that's just begun. By the time this night is over, two hearts are gonna fly to the heavens above. And we'll get closer and closer and closer by the time this night is over. Let's take it slow and easy, right? Just lay back, let love take us over. There's magic here with you and I, and it's gonna take us all the way. Let's find some deeper conversation, and darling, it is right by the time this night is over. The stars are gonna shine up to lovers in love, and when the morning comes, it's gonna find us together in a love that's just begun. By the time this night is over, two hearts are gonna fly to the heavens above. We'll get closer and closer and closer by the time this night is over. A night like this may never come again, and you won't want this night to end. Oh, baby, we can have it all by the time this night is over. By the time this night is over. By the time this night is over, the stars are gonna shine up to lovers in love. And when the morning comes, it's gonna find us together in a love that's just begun. By the time this night is over. By the time this night is over, two hearts are gonna fly to heavens above. We're all loving all together, baby. Yeah, we're gonna slide in, oh, to good.
Yeah, yeah. Woo, panahon natin to eh. May request pa.
Looking so easy, I see you feeling as still so. There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go.
Bye-bye.
We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't see it till the line fell apart. Taking once in a lifetime, it's too much to ask, but I could swear from my heart. Everybody out! If ever you're in my arms again. Sabay-sabay ah! Love is no romance, these are second chances. I'll get through this somehow, 'cause I'm falling down. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time we'll never end. This time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time we'll never end. This time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. This time we'll never end.
Woo! Salamat. Ang sarap ng kantahan natin doon, ha? More pa, hindi pa tapos. Back in 2016, I had the opportunity to represent the Philippines. So World Championship Song to perform in Paris. You can still sing along, okay?
You are the song playing so softly in my heart. I reach for you. You seem so near, yet so far. I hope and I pray that you will be with me someday. 'Cause I know down inside you are mine, and your true love. Please no more dreaming. How can I, each time I try to say goodbye, you are there. You look away, I touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you all. You are my soul. I know for sure now we were meant to fall in love. I look in your eyes, I know what you're thinking of. I try not to say the the words that might scare you away. 'Cause I know down inside you are mine, and I'm your true love. Please no more dreaming. Please sing. Each time I try to say goodbye, you are there. You look my way, touch the sky. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my soul. You are my soul. Mas balik dito. We can share tomorrow and forevermore. I'll be there to love you so. You are my magkaiba. Sakit ang buti ko mamaya dito. First time kong kinanta yun ng gano'n nang walang ibang kung ano-ano. Alright. And I'm gonna leave you with this one. Maraming salamat po. Yung request mamaya konti. Oh. This is for everybody. I watch the world go by in silence. Remember this one? Deep in the night in silence. Wala si Queen Mother eh. Time going by so slow. Sa chorus. I think about the morning and it warms my heart. Because tonight I'm going back to the one I love, and by tomorrow with the dawn I'll be there, and you'll be beside me. Go on now. Sunlight, oh sunlight, bring me the love I need to guide me, shining deep inside of me. Sunlight, oh sunlight, show me the way. I look at the stars and I pray for morning, counting the hours till morning, thinking about this fight. Oh, I'm standing on the promise of a brand new day. I couldn't see another Kimano Cha-cha. Ngunit ang paborito ay pagsayaw mo na LBO. Nakakainta, nakakaalig, nakakatindig, alahipo. Pagkagaling sa eskwela ay diretso na sa inyo. At buong maghapon ay tinuturuan mo ako. Magkahawak ang ating kamay at walang kamay-may. At tinuruan mo ang puso ko na ulitin matuloy. Naninigas ang aking katawan, umikot na ang plaka. Sabay sa kembot ng bewang mo at bungay ng iyong mga mata. Lumiliwanag ang buhay habang tayo'y magkaakbay. At dahan-dahan dumudulas ang kamay ko sa makinis mong braso. Sana doon pa man ay sinabi na sa iyo. Kahit hindi na uso ang sa malay-kalay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig at tunay. Magkahawakan nating kamay at walang kamalay-malay na tinuruan mo ang puso ko na umibig at tunay. Walang humpay ng ligaya, di mo ba nakikita? La 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 la, la la la, la 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 Thank you everyone.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat sa mga uuwi. Ingat po. God bless you all. Again, maraming salamat po.
Soon as the music starts, strangers making the most of the dark. Two by two their bodies become one. I see you through the smoky air. Can't you feel the weight of my stare? You're so close but still away. What I'm dying to say is that I'm crazy for you. Touch me once and you know it's true. I never wanted anyone like this. It's so brand new. You feel it in my hands. I'm crazy for you. Trying hard to control my heart. I walk over to where you are. I really know words at all. Slowly now we begin to move. Every breath comes deeper into you. Slowly to us standing still in time. If you read my mind, I'm crazy for you, and you know it's true. I'm crazy for you. It's so bad.